Are you tired of double booking because Salesforce and Google Calendar don't talk to each other? Learn how to sync them in under 2 minutes. I'll show you the exact 4 clicks to connect Salesforce to Google Calendar. No settings, no API keys, just a simple install. Start by clicking the plus icon in the right sidebar to open the App Marketplace. Then, type Salesforce into the search bar to find the integration. Go ahead and click Install to add the Salesforce Connector. Finally, click Done to finish the setup. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.